fans, I'm Darren Hager. I am Chief Everything Officer and Founder at Heyday Footwear, and today we're going to take a quick look at the new Super Freak 2.0 in silver, blue, and black. It sits on our black cardio sole, which is nearly flat. It has about a 4mm heel to toe drop, full ground contact all the way across. It's very lightweight. Does have a rubber heel pad in the back for increased traction and to save wear on the EVA. The upper is a mix of, this is not gray, this is actually silver air mesh, a very brilliant microfiber suede, so it's not real suede, which is even better for performance. Microfiber suede on the back with black webbing and a black new super strap. The super strap is Velcro and does not use any snaps on it, so it can't fail, it can't pop off, no wardrobe malfunctions, just an awesome new strap. The strap has our TPU rubber logo on it. The tongue has the TPU rubber logo on it. It's got a padded terry cloth lining. The tongue snaps onto the collar like on all of our shoes. It's got a memory foam footbed. It is super comfortable and just looks totally amazing. It's not hype, it's hate.